So for making this project, I have used a breadboard, Arduino, speaker, 3 LEDs and jumper wires. In this video, we will use this speaker. If you want, you can use buzzer also, and you can use 8 ohm speaker also. So moving towards connection part. Connection for this project is very easy. Firstly, we will connect LED to the breadboard. Now take your Arduino and connect ground pin of LED to the ground pin of Arduino. Now take 3 jumper wire and connect red LED to the digital pin 8. Connect blue LED to the digital pin 9. And then connect LED green to the digital pin 10. After that, take your speaker and connect one pin of speaker to the digital pin 3. And another pin connect to the ground. So that's all about the connection part. So moving towards programming part. Code link I have given in the description, you can download it from there. Open this folder and open this code. So this is the code for our project. Now connect your Arduino to the board. Now connect your Arduino to the laptop. After connecting, go to the tool and check for the COM port. Now upload the code to the Arduino.